As the sun breaks over the ancient canopy, the giants of the Cretaceous begin their day. The valley awakens, and with it, the largest creatures to ever walk the earth begin their daily feast among the giant ferns. Sustained by the lush cycads, the mother forages tirelessly, while her calf remains close, learning which plants are safe to eat.
The equivalents of this ancient native Saxon. Brachioceratops hearing.
Life begins in the early morning sun. These tiny, vulnerable hatchlings rely entirely.
Weighing many tons, the adults dwarf their offspring as they carefully navigate the dense prehistoric jungle in search of food.
A primordial force of nature. The sheer scale of the migration is breathtaking as the herds move across the ancient landscape.
Here, where the land meets the sea, lies the final resting place of
This coastline holds a secret millions of years old.
The preservation is remarkable.
Absolutely pristine. We need to document the cervical vertebrae immediately.
Look at the size of the orbit, Mina. This changes everything we thought about the apex predator.
Recording the measurements now. The texture here is incredible.
We need that jacket secured before the tide turns. Keep the brushes moving, gently now.
Agreed.
And Mina, how are the tags holding up? We finally found it. The lost graveyard.
Incredible.
Look at this. The preservation is incredible. These carvings confirm the age.
Steady now, easy on the ropes. It's clearing the rock. Bring it to the blue tarp.
We need that femur stabilized before the tide comes in.
It's heavy, boss, but we're almost there.
Are the cranial measurements logged?
Yes, all entered into the manifest, Mina.
All right, easy now. Just a little further back. Watch the clearance on the left side. Lower it slowly now. Watch the left side. Okay, easy down.
Okay, bring it down slowly. We're almost there. Secure the chains once it settles.
Lower it slowly, watch the left side.
Okay, bring it here next to the femur.
We need 3 more people for this one.
There's a microfracture here.
I see it. We need to stabilize this section.
Watch the crane on your left.
Bringing the skulls down now.
We need more space in the fragment section.
As you can see, the raw bone slabs move along this conveyor system where they are sorted before the rendering process. We handle thousands of tons daily.
$35 exactly to spec.
Perfect, Mina. The client will be very pleased.
Plates must be handled with extreme care, each one a unique artifact, requiring bespoke archival packaging.
The final seal is secure on this one, Rahim.
Good. I'll affix the main export label now.